A true wisdom comes from listening to wise people of ancient times, all of their thoughts and sayings. Become a wiser version of yourself by listening to these quotes from Henry Ford. First is, you can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. Second, the greatest things in life is experience. Even mistakes have value. Third, thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. Fourth, most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. Fifth, a business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. Sixth, it has been my observation that people get ahead during the time that others waste. 7. You may think the grass is greener on the other side, but if you take the time to water your own grass, it would be just as green. 8. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. 9th, early business failed and left him broke 5 times before he founded the successful Ford Motor Company. 10th, there is no failure except failure to serve one's purpose. 11th, you cannot learn in school what the world is going to do next year. 12th, givers have to set limits because takers rarely do. 13th, when everything seems to be going against you, remember then the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. 14th, obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goal. 15th, as long as we look to legislation to cure poverty or to abolish special privilege, we are going to see poverty spread and special privilege grow. 16th, we don't want tradition, we want to live in the present, and the only history that is worth a twinkle's dam in the history we made today. 17th, it is well enough that people of the nation do not understand our banking and monetary system, for if they had, I believe there would be a revolution before tomorrow morning. 18. Vision without execution is just hallucination. 19th, you can do anything if you have enthusiasm. 20th and last, a business absolutely devoted to service will have only one worry about profits. They will be embarrassingly large. Comment your best quote below and suggest on whom you want the next video. Thanks for watching. You can support us by liking the video and subscribing the channel.